Hello, my amazing English learners. Welcome to day 11 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. First of all, take a deep breath. Give yourself a smile and feel proud. Why? Because you made it this far. 11 days of consistency, 11 days of courage, 11 days of growth. Most people quit after one day. Most people only dream of speaking English. But you are different. You are practicing. You are learning. And you are transforming. Today, we are talking about a place you visit often, the grocery store. Think about it. You walk into a store almost every week. You buy fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, snacks, and all the things you need for daily life. But what happens when the shopkeeper asks you something in English? Or when you need to find an item and explain it in English. Or maybe when you travel abroad and you must shop in an English-speaking country. This is where today's lesson becomes so important. Because when you practice shopping sentences in English, you don't just learn words. You prepare for real-life situations. You prepare for confidence. You prepare for independence. Imagine this. You're standing in a supermarket. You need rice. Instead of feeling nervous, you smile and ask confidently, "Excuse me, where's the rice section?" The shop assistant answers and you understand. You reply naturally. Do you see how powerful that is? You are not silent anymore. You are connected. And let me remind you, this is not only about English sentences. This is about creating a version of yourself that feels free, free to ask, free to answer, free to live in English. So, my dear learners, stay with me till the end of this session. Don't pause, don't skip, and don't give up halfway. Every single sentence you repeat today is a brick in the foundation of your fluency. By the end of today's practice, you will be able to ask for items in a store, talk about prices and quantities, handle small conversations with shopkeepers. And yes, shadowing is the key. Remember, repeat with me. Copy my voice. Copy my rhythm. The more you shadow, the more natural your English becomes. So, are you ready? Put your phone on silent, focus with me, and let's enter the grocery store together, step by step, sentence by sentence. This is your challenge, your journey, your success story. Let's begin. Before we start practicing sentences, let's learn some useful grocery store vocabulary. Repeat after me. Say it clearly and imagine you are actually in the store. Ready? Let's go. Bread. Repeat. Bread. Rice. Repeat. Rice. Milk. Repeat. Milk. Eggs. Repeat. Eggs. Vegetables. Repeat. Vegetables. Fruits. Repeat. Fruits. Chicken. Repeat. Chicken. Fish. Repeat. Fish. Sugar. Repeat. Sugar. Salt. Repeat. Salt. Cart. Repeat. Cart. Basket. Repeat. Basket. Cashier. Repeat. Cashier. Price. Repeat. Price. Discount. Repeat. Discount. Bill. Receipt. Repeat. Receipt. Shelf. Repeat. Shelf. Aisle. Row in the store. Repeat. Aisle. Counter. Repeat. Counter. Shopkeeper, salesperson. Repeat. Shopkeeper. Well done! Look at you! You just practiced 20 useful words. These are not just words, these are tools. Every time you say cart, cashier, or aisle, you are building a toolkit for your English. And when you go to the grocery store next time, these words will be ready in your brain. No fear, no pause, just confidence. Now, my dear learners, let's use these words inside real sentences. Repeat with me, shadow my voice, and feel English becoming a part of your daily life. All right, English learners, let's begin our shadowing practice. Repeat with me. Speak out loud. Feel English in your voice. Sentence 1. I need a shopping cart. Repeat. I need a shopping cart. Sentence 2. I need a basket. Repeat. I need a basket. Sentence 3. Where is the rice? Repeat. Where is the rice? Sentence 4. Where is the milk? Repeat. Where is the milk? Sentence 5. I want some bread. Repeat. I want some bread. Bravo! You just spoke 5 real-life sentences. Can you imagine? Next time you enter a store, these words will come out naturally. You don't have to translate in your head, you just speak. This is how confidence grows. Keep going, you are on fire. Sentence 6. How much are the eggs? Repeat. How much are the eggs? Sentence 7. How much is the chicken? Repeat. How much is the chicken? Sentence 8. Can I get fresh vegetables? Repeat. Can I get fresh vegetables? Sentence 9. Can I get some fruits? Repeat. Can I get some fruits? Sentence 10. I need 1 kilo of sugar. Repeat. I need 1 kilo of sugar. Excellent! 10 sentences done. Remember, English is not about speaking fast, it's about speaking clear. And right now, you are learning clarity. Step by step, line by line, you are building your fluency. Be proud, smile, and say to yourself, I am improving every day. Sentence 11. Do you have fresh fish? Repeat. Do you have fresh fish? Sentence 12. Do you have brown bread? Repeat. Do you have brown bread? Sentence 13. Where can I find salt? Repeat. Where can I find salt? Sentence 14. Where can I find tea? Repeat. Where can I find tea? Sentence 15. The price is too high. Repeat. The price is too high. Amazing work! Imagine yourself abroad, walking in a supermarket. People around you are speaking English, but you are confident. You know how to ask, how to answer, how to shop. That's not just English, that's freedom. That's why this challenge is powerful. Don't stop now, let's keep moving. Sentence 16. Do you have a discount? Repeat. Do you have a discount? Sentence 17. Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? Sentence 18. Can I pay with cash? Repeat. Can I pay with cash? Sentence 19. Please give me the receipt. Repeat. Please give me the receipt. Sentence 20. Can you pack these items? Repeat. Can you pack these items? You're doing wonderful. Shopping English is not just for the store. It's training your mind to be quick, confident, and ready for conversations. Every time you repeat, your brain makes a new connection. These connections turn into fluency. This is science plus practice plus motivation working together. Sentence 21. I need 2 bottles of water. Repeat. I need 2 bottles of water. Sentence 22. I need half a kilo of apples. Repeat. I need half a kilo of apples. Sentence 23. I need 1 dozen eggs. Repeat. I need 1 dozen eggs. Sentence 24. Please show me the oil. Repeat. Please show me the oil. Sentence 25. Please show me the biscuits. Repeat. Please show me the biscuits. Fantastic! You see, sentences are not just practice, they are real-life tools. Imagine tomorrow you're in a store. You don't feel shy anymore. You don't feel stuck. You speak. You connect. That is power. That is success. Sentence 26. Is this fresh? Repeat. Is this fresh? Sentence 27. Is this on sale? Repeat. Is this on sale? Sentence 28. I don't need a bag, thank you. Repeat. I don't need a bag, thank you. Sentence 29. I am looking for the dairy section. Repeat. I am looking for the dairy section. Sentence 30. Thank you for your help. Repeat. Thank you for your help. Bravo! You completed 30 sentences at the grocery store. Now you are ready to shop in English with confidence. Remember, English is not learned in one day. It is built daily, just like this challenge. Every sentence you spoke today is a seed, and soon you will see the fruit. Smile with me and say, I am learning. I am improving. I am succeeding. Bravo, my amazing English learners! You have just completed day 11 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. Today you learned 30 powerful sentences and useful vocabulary for the grocery store. That means the next time you go shopping, you won't feel stuck. You'll feel ready, confident, and proud. But remember, this is not just about groceries. Every new word, every new sentence you practiced today is one more step on your journey to fluency. Here's your homework for today. In the comments, write one sentence about your last grocery trip. For example, yesterday I bought apples and milk. Or, I went to the grocery store with my friend. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Now I need your suggestions too. Tell me in the comments, what situations do you want me to cover in the next videos? Where do you struggle the most in English? Your feedback will help me create lessons that are made just for you. And remember, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss day 12 of our challenge. Watch this video again tomorrow to double your fluency. English learners, be proud of yourself today. You are not just learning words, you are building a future, opening doors and creating opportunities for yourself. Say this with me one last time. I am learning. I am improving. I am succeeding. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 12, where we'll learn another powerful set of sentences for your daily life. Until then, keep practicing, keep shining, and keep believing in yourself. You are unstoppable.